see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling.
Hey guys, Annika, welcome to my Annika. So, y'all know what time of year it is? Yeah, bitch, it's Christmas time. So, you know what that means. It means this. Here's a tutorial. I use the James Charles Morphe palette. I've had this for a while, but I haven't filmed with it, so I'm finally fucking filming with it. All the eyeshadows I used were in this palette. I used liners, but there's nothing else. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Actually, I was kind of scared because usually really intense looks like this look kind of whack, and also it had a lot of different components. You know, we have like candy cane liner, a glitter half cut crease, this holly on my fucking face, inner corner. Like it's a lot, but I feel like I did it pretty well, and I'm really happy with this look. I hate to be like basic, but this palette really inspired me to unleash my inner artist.
Unleash your inner artist.
I still like the 35B better, but this is good, you know. There's nothing wrong with it, and if y'all want me to do like an in-depth review, I can, but I just haven't because there are so many on the internet, and y'all have probably bought it anyway. Like, I bought it and I didn't even care what the palette was like, I just wanted it. So anyway, let's get into the video. Merry fucking Christmas, bitches! Just jumping right in, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm gonna prime my eyelids, blend it out with my finger, and I'm not gonna set it with any powder or anything. I know James says to use an eyeshadow primer, but who the fuck has eyeshadow primer in 2018? So I'm using concealer, and then I'm taking the shade Daddy on a more defined brush, and I'm just packing that all into my crease and also in the outer corner, you know, kind of making like an almond shape. And then blending that out with this shade Social Blade. But we're gonna go back into Daddy right here and just define the crease a little bit more so there's more definition, also going in the outer corner and like winging it out a little bit more. But we're gonna be going back and forth between those two shades for a little bit until we cut the crease. We're doing a half cut crease with the Sharp tape. So yeah, I kind of like low-key banged this one out. Like, I've been getting so good at half cut creases because I'm always doing them. And then before I set that, I'm gonna blend it out with Daddy on the wet concealer. And then I'm gonna set it with Canvas and Flashback. I wanted to mix because I wanted like a more neutral color that wasn't too skin tone but still bright. And then I'm going back into Daddy and like winging it out some more and then cleaning it up with a makeup wipe. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay white liner, I don't know what it's called. It's in the shade Line, or it has something to do with Coke. I don't remember what it is, but I like this one a lot more than the NYX one. It doesn't crack as much. But I'm using red for the stripes, and I like majorly fucked up, like so bad. It's fine, I kind of saved it. I had to keep picking it out of my eyelashes, so I recommend you be careful with that. I have a whole tutorial on candy cane eyeliner last year. If you want to go watch it, I'll link it in the cards. And then I'm taking the Midnight Cowboy Urban Decay glitter liner, putting that in my half cut crease. And then I'm setting it with So Good just because I was impatient waiting for it to dry, but it was still wet even after I did that. So I had to like fan myself with that. So yeah, I thought it looked good though. And now I'm moving on to my face makeup. I'm using the Primerizer for my primer. I love this a lot. I've been using it like every single day. And then I thought I would do some green color corrector because my face is really fucking red, and also like Christmas, get it? Like green and red, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I use this Essence one, and then I'm just doing Shape Tape. Y'all know I don't love foundation, and I don't really need it either. I don't really think anybody does. I feel like concealer does the job. And then my camera died, just telling you in advance. So off camera, I just obviously blended out the rest of my concealer, and I also bronzed / contoured my face with the Too Faced Butter Bronzer. So that's what I did when my camera died. And then I come back and I work on my lower lash line. So I'm taking the shade You're Kidding, and I'm doing it really like intense up against the waterline, but then blending it out into a more pink shade, because if you get too light, it's just gonna look like you have pink eyes. So you really wanna concentrate the color and make it like obvious that you're wearing eyeshadow. I know it is obvious, but you simply won't understand how important that is until you get asked if your eyes are okay, because it looks like you have pink eye because you're wearing pink eyeshadow. So yeah, that's why it's important. And now I'm taking the shade B on a crease brush, and I'm just fluffing it in there. And you know, I thought this was really fun. I've never done something like this before, and I really liked it. And now I'm doing Holly on my cheek, on like where my highlighter would be. So I just did 3 little red dots. And then I didn't really film this part because I'm a thought, but I just did like ovals and then did little lines sticking out of them because holly leaves are kind of prickly, but I didn't really know how to draw them. So that's what I did. If you can do it better, congratulations, you know, whatever. So then I took So Good again and I put that on top of the yellow because I thought, you know, we still needed some highlight, obviously. I put on fake eyelashes. I used the Tarteist Flirt eyelashes, and then instead of using So Good for my face, I thought it would be too dark, so I just mixed face and ring light, and they worked so well. I really think that James kind of snapped on that face highlighter. Like, it's really nice. And I think I'm gonna start using it a lot more, and I really concentrated it on my nose because I'm a thought and I love doing that, so yeah. And then I also highlighted my chin, which I'm realizing is like so important. It really completes the look. And then I'm setting my face with the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. I'm lining my lips with this really shitty MUA lip liner. I need to get a better red lip liner. This is the only one that I have, but it runs like crazy. Like, there's literally no point in wearing it because it just smears everywhere. And then I'm using the Fenty red lipstick. I forget what it is called, but I love this one so much. It's my favorite. So yeah, that's the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it a lot, and I hope that I can do other Christmas looks before Christmas approaches. I'm also doing Vlogmas this year. I'm pretty sure my first Vlogmas week 1 is already up, so I'll link that right up here. Y'all should go watch it. I love you so much. Please comment, subscribe, suck my dick, and keep on Christmasing. Festive burp.
Tell me that I'm an idiot, you know that you'll be lying. What?